We are here at Mutlu Aquarium and Kuch Dunyasi. They have animals and birds. Fatma, tell me what they have now.
What they have? They have these bunnies, these rabbits, and
Make a detailed video of bunnies and cats, everybody.
and these are the cats. This one's cats are a little bit, she is blind, and this cat is very fluffy. I have touched it. And here we comes with the fishes. Look, this aquarium is so decorated. And these fishes, I don't know the name, but it's okay. They look really beautiful. And here we goes with this. Oh, why is my friend? Oh, it is. And I don't know what this is. And
Hi, let me tell you about the fishes. Show me in the camera.
okay. So how about
Yes,
this?
these are albino goldfishes. These are betta fishes. See how beautiful they are.
They look
These are
big.
catfishes.
Yeah. I mean, they look like black.
These are mollies. Molly fish. And these are also carved goldfish from Japan. It comes from Japan.
Look at the eye.
Yes,
Oh, it's faster.
big eye.
Yeah. And how about this?
These are guppies and they are in black colors. We are purchasing these guppies because it looks so beautiful.
And here we goes with this.
These are snails.
And where did the... Okay, there are two fishes swimming. And what are these fishes?
These are also betta. This is albino betta.
So beautiful.
Yes.
And
this
what
is
are
red
these?
betta.
Oh, look at the red betta. And what are these?
These are tetra fishes. Colorful tetra.
Oh, look, there's orange.
These are also guppies. Hmm?
Bloody. What's not a bloody? Okay.
Is it blur?
Yeah, it is blurred.
No problem. One make it.
Okay. And these are the I don't
These
know.
are guppies and
How about this?
these are pangasius. They look like sharks, but they are pangasius. These are Oscar.
They are so big.
Yes, they are so big in the size. And these are Oscar. These are the plants they are selling.
How
And
they
very
look
beautiful fish is also there.
Oh.
She's shy. She ran away. These plants I have purchased for my aquarium.
And
These
these
are
are
also
betta.
betta in different
Purple.
colors.
Look purple.
With this one purple.
And this one is blue.
Wow, amazing.
And
These are also Japanese koi fish. These are traditional color of Japanese koi fish. These are sands,
and these
different
are-
kinds of decorative items from aquarium. These are also medicines and decorative items. These are also betta fishes.
Now let's go with parrots.
Okay.
So these are the parrots. Hello. Hello. Okay, they are kind of scared. And these. Oh my. Okay, so look at there. And these are
Lovebird parrots. They're very naughty.
they look naughty, not gonna lie. Okay, and what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh. So, and
At the end, there are two beautiful cats.
can I touch them?
Yes, you can.
Let's go. Hold the camera. Hold the camera for me.
Don't take them out, just touch them. Maybe close it, maybe they run away. Close it, Fatu.
Okay.
Maybe they will run away and we cannot be able to catch them.
They look so innocent here.
Okay, we are going.
Now we are going outside.
Our shopping item. Show
And
them. There are fishes, plants, and feed of
these
fishes.
are
No, no,
plants.
technical. टूट गया.
Okay.
Be careful.
And these are the fishes. And I don't know what is this.
This is a
Medicine?
filter.
Okay. And this is, I think, medicine.
Yes.
Okay. Let's see with the bunnies.
Abhi,
Ah, kuchi kuchi. Look at this naughty guy. Yeah, what's up? Ah. Oh, why are they? Okay, I'm scared that they will bite. So I'm not. Okay. And so this is like, I don't know, maybe a dog. Dog.
we are going back. It's my brother. I bought from him. Abhi, say hi to camera. Thank you for good fishes. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. And this was the shop name. Now we are going. Bye. Say bye.